What's up guys, Magic here. Welcome back to another magic tutorial. Today I've got a really amazing trick for you guys. It is a coin and a card trick. It's really simple, it's really amazing. Any magician, like any type of magician can do it, like a beginner, intermediate or advanced. It's super simple, it's super amazing. Yeah, I'm sorry for uploading this video pretty late because I was really stuck up with some online classes and I could not find out some time for you guys to make a video. So this is a magic video which I haven't uploaded since a really long time. So yeah, so without any further ado, let's get to the performance. Okay guys, so here is the performance of the trick. Alright, so first off, I have just gathered up some 4 coins. Any 4 coins, right? It doesn't really matter. These are any 4 coins that I have, and these are 4 of a kind. Just taking up the king because I really like these, and yeah, so okay. So now I'm gonna ask the spectator to set up the coins in like in a square shape. All right. So basically, this is kind of a teleportation trick. All right. So I'm gonna keep a card right on top of the coin, one by one. I'm also gonna be showing you like the amount of cards that I have. There are 1, 2, 3, 4. No gimmicks, no extra cards, nothing like that. It's all the same. So yeah, let's get started. So for the first off, I'm just gonna be placing the coins just like that. Still got 2 cards. That goes there and that goes there. All right, now I'm gonna show you that I have one coin in each of the cards. All right, so I'm just gonna keep them right over here. I'm gonna just snap my fingers. All right, now just with the snap of my finger, watch the magic. The second card actually teleports over there. That's pretty cool, right? Yeah, but that's kind of easy, anybody can do that. Here I have the king of diamonds, which I had over here, and now here is the other king. Now I'm gonna show you from this card to this card. All right, so watch, there are 2 coins, 2 coins over here, 1 coin over here. And I'm gonna keep this right over here. I'm just gonna snap my fingers, all right, and you see, oh, kind of came on top. All right, so 3 coins over here. So the coin from here came up till here. So this is the king of hearts, which was kept over here. All right, now you think that like there's a coin over there. Anyways, you think that I'm gonna pick up this card and this card and then it's gonna teleport, something like that. All right, that's pretty boring. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna snap my fingers, and as you can see, the coin from the king of spades has disappeared and it actually come all over here. Alright guys, I hope you I hope you like the performance. It's a pretty amazing trick. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the tutorial. Okay guys, the tutorial of this trick is really simple and really easy. All you need to do is get a shuffled up deck and ask your spectator to take out any 4 of a kind in this. And now I'm just gonna be gathered up some kings, and you can have them completely shuffled. It doesn't really matter. All right, it's completely shuffled. It's in the spectator's choice to choose whatever kind they want. All right, now to the coin part. Once they've taken out all of the 4 of the kinds, you can just place them right on the side. All right, then you can take up then you want to ask them to take all of the coins and make them in a shape of a square or something like that, whatever shape you want. I just told it just to explain you. They have to put the coins in this kind of order. Then what you want to do is get your kings, and you're gonna tell your spectators that I'm gonna place one king on each cards. All right, then you want to also show them the amount of cards that you have, completely shuffled, whatever. All right, and then what you want to do is you want to hold your card in a grip. It's a separate grip that you're gonna hold it. All right, so as you can see that this line in the middle finger, the top part, and this line in the thumb, all you want to do is just place your card on there, and you want to push outward. The card should bend that side or any side, whatever. All right, now what you want to do is you want to take out 1 card from the deck. Now the twist comes in the trick. All right, now what you want to do is while you're placing your card just like this, you want to pick up this coin with your thumb. All right, so like I cannot show you the exact thing how to do it, but I'll try my best to make it as simple as I can. All right, so all you want to do is just press the card just like that, and then while you're placing your card, like you just gotta keep 1 card. All right, it can be any card. You just want to keep that, and while you're keeping the card, you gotta pick the coin with your thumbs. All right, so it's somewhat like this. So you're gonna take your middle finger and your thumb, and then while you're keeping up the card, you might want to slide your first card down. In this way, I just got my coin right over here. So it's really simple. All right, let me just show it again so that you guys can follow up. You can pause the video, practice the grip for some time, and then get back. Then your next step is gonna be how to place it, and how while placing, picking up the coin. So it's somewhat like this. Suppose this is the floor, I got the coin here. I'm placing while I'm placing up, I'm just gonna catch up my coin, and then I want to place it up out just like that. All right, yeah, that's all I want to say for this one. I hope you guys have understood. And yeah, let's just continue with the trick. Just pick up the coin while you just make it natural. Okay, just make the trick go natural. Do not mess it up. Do not flash that you're taking up the coin. All right, you want a spectator to be on the side or something like that, and you want to manage on how to not flash it. If your spectators are in the front, then all you have to do is like, you just gotta take all of your fingers and cover the coin up, and then you can take it out. And then there is no coin over here. The coin will be over here. Now your next card should be placed over there diagonally. All right, because you want, now when you're placing this card right over here, you want to drop the coin right over here in this place. So what are you gonna do? We're gonna just put off the first card while picking up the coin, and then we gotta go diagonal this coin. All right, and then while you're placing up the second card, you might want to drop the coin just like this. Make sure that the sound does not come like, wait, just like this. Yeah, that kind of sound should not be coming. All right, or else the spectator might be like in a confusion, or like he might suspect something. So you do not want your trick to be a mess, this amazing trick to be a mess. All right, so while you have your coin in your hand, you just want to drop it, and then you want to keep up your card just like that. All right, so there are two cards in here, but the spectator will think that there's one coin and there's one coin in here, and then you can just show them that here are the rest of the two cards. Then place it normally. Right now I'm going to show you two coins there, one coin here, and one coin here, but no coin over here. So the spectator will think that there is one coin here, one coin here, one coin here, and one coin here. He will think, he or she, whatever, they will be under this, the coins will be under this card. But no, two cards are in here and this is in here. So now I'm gonna now once you're done, you gotta watch this part a couple of times, because it's kind of difficult to understand it in one go for any beginner who has just started up. But yeah, so now once you've practiced this thing, all you want to do is I want to show you how you're gonna how you're gonna pick up and show. That's the most difficult part of the trick. All right, so you don't want to flash just like I did just now. Anyways, when you're gonna show up these two cards, and then these two cards, and then you're gonna show up with this. Do not come up with this card in the first or second. Show this card in the last, because that's gonna be the amazing point. That's when the spectators are gonna be baffled. All right, they're gonna be astonished, and yeah, I hope you guys are understanding. Anyways, now once you're picking up this card and this card, all you want to do is there are two coins over here. While you're picking up this card, you want to pick up one coin underneath. Okay, you want to find a coin from your thumb. All right, and then you want to pick it up, and then you want to show that there's one coin. Actually, there's one more coin underneath your card, which is on the left side. All right, left top. All right, I'm going to show it to you how you do it again. All right, you just want to pick it up while you're just taking a card up, just like that, and one card here, and make sure you do not flash this thing. And yeah, why you're doing this is because you want to show your spectator that there's one coin in both of the sides. All right, then you want to keep it. Then you just want to snap your fingers in any way, whatever thing you want to do. Then you want to show an illusion that this coin is going to here. So all you have to do is, while you're picking up while picking up both of the cards, you have to grab the coin over here. All right, so yeah, that's it. You grab the coin in here. So there's a lot of grabbing things in this, so that's why I was telling you gotta watch this video a couple of times. Alright, so you want to just take up the coin, and then yeah, the illusion creates that there are 2 coins already, but there's 1 more coin over here. And then you want to show them the king, whatever that was there, yeah, and that's the king of hearts. Alright, now do not flash this coin too, just keep this card right over here. Alright, so now there are 3 coins, but the spectator will think that there are 2 coins over here. Alright, so yeah, then you want to cover it. Make sure again you should not be making this kind of noise, yeah, the coin tingling noise. And then you want to go up with this. Alright, so now again you gotta pick up a card from here, because there are 3 coins and here there's 1 coin, so you gotta pick up a card from here. Alright, so I'm gonna pick up a card. I have a coin, so in whichever hand or whichever card underneath the coin is there, that card will go to the place where there are more coins. I hope you're understanding. So this, now you show it. Let me do it again. Right, so once you show this, then you gotta show that I'm gonna show you the, like, these 2. Then you just gotta pick up 1 coin from here, and then do not pick up anything from here. Alright, there's gonna be like 1 coin already there. Then you want to keep it. You want to snap your fingers or whatever. Then you want to grab a coin from here. Alright, so you want to grab it just like this. So that creates an illusion that there are 3 coins, but there's a coin in here. So then you gotta show the empty card, and then you want to keep it on the side. Alright, then do not flash this card. Alright, then whichever, well, that's like I told you a few seconds ago, whichever card has a coin underneath, you gotta keep it on top of the pile of coins which has more coins, right? So you want to keep it there. Now this is the most interesting part of the trick. Now the spectator will think that there are 3 coins here and 1 coin in here, but no, there are 4 coins here and 1 coin is there over here. Alright, so that's gonna be covered. Yeah, and then you can just snap the same thing, whatever. You're gonna be like, I'm not gonna separate, take out, yeah, whatever I said, you can copy it or not. Then you just want to show it up that the coin has been gone, disappeared, and then all the 4 coins have come together, all together. Alright guys, that was the trick. I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit the like button. Oh, I already told that. Anyways, comment down below if you think that the trick was pretty simple. I hope you guys have learned it. Thank you for joining, and yeah, I will see you next week.